What's going on, autograph addicts? This video is on how to make custom index cards. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, if you see an awesome return from somebody and you know that address is going to last maybe a week or so, you got to get it out that day. And if you don't have photos, you got to have something to send. You can send a custom index card. So let's say we're writing to Zane Savage. He's a douche. He's going to stop signing in a week. So let's go to Google search. Pardon my camera here. I'm doing this and multitasking at the same time. I like this picture. I like square pictures with my custom index cards. So I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to go to full-size image. So there we go. And right-click, copy. This may be different. I'm using a Mac. I'm also using Chrome. So this is just kind of a guide to get you guys through. Alright, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going to go into Microsoft Word. Okay? There's a lot of versions of this, so bear with me here. It may be a little bit different on your end. But the first thing you want to do in Word is go over here to Layout. It's going to be on Home first, but go to Layout, and this is important. Margins, guys. Get those margins on the top and the left down to 0.25. Alright, now what that does, as you can see, the cursor is closer to the edge, and that's exactly what we want. Now you're going to paste that image in Word. Okay, now that's way too big. That's a lot bigger than the index card. So the index card probably comes right about there. So your image is going to be one like pretty tiny on your screen. I'll go ahead and show you. So I'm thinking maybe right there. Okay, now we're going to do a text box. To do that, all you have to do is go up here to Insert and go to Text Box. Alright, so now I draw my text box. I kind of want to line it up with the photo and make it go about halfway past the photo. So, right there. Type in Zane Savage.
And my voice? Do you like my voice?
Ignore my robot. Alright, and then maybe Autograph Guru. Again, type in with one hand here. Alright, so we need obviously bigger text. So we're going to go to Home and then maybe, I'm thinking 18. Yeah, it's decently big. Also, this is a text box. It's not showing up because it's invisible. So I'm just going to double click the text box and that will bring up a format bar here. I'm going to go to Line and create a black border around that. So that is the custom card right there. Very simple. This is the way I do it, just so I have something to send off. So let's print this baby out. I'm not going to print out a custom index card yet. Just going to print it out on a regular sheet of paper. Print, and then go to Print. And it will print out over here on my wireless printer, but it takes a little while. It is wireless. If you guys have a wireless printer, you know the headaches. And this is important, guys, to do it on a sheet of paper first. Okay, so here's my custom index card, what it's going to look like. And we're going to take a real index card here and line it up. And that's going to be about perfect, actually. So, what you're going to do now is take a piece of tape. I'm going to set this down here. Hopefully, you guys can still kind of see. Take a piece of tape. Tear it off. Just one piece of tape like this. And you're going to fold it on top of itself. You guys have done this before. So it's, you know, doubly sticky on each side. Then you're going to stick that to the back of the index card. Okay? This is actually how I put the autographs up on my wall. So you got the piece of tape on the index card. Now, all you have to do is place it on the corner of the sheet of paper. Alright. If my robot would stop talking, I'd get this video done. So, my printer works in a weird way. My printer actually pulls the paper from behind, so the index card's going to go on the bottom, and then it'll pull it up, it'll pull it through the printer and print on the top. So, I'm going to put my piece of paper with the index card on there, in the printer, and now we're going to print one more time. And there, my friends, is a custom Zane Savage index card. Now, obviously, you can do a lot more than just the simple layout I did. And I'm ripping the paper, but you got to be careful with the tape. I'm using one hand here, that's why I'm so ruthless. But kind of be careful getting the tape off the back so it doesn't tear the card. I'm not worried about it right now since this is a crap card. But there's your custom index card to send off to Zane Savage to get signed. It's a little bit crooked. I got it on there wrong because I was holding this with one hand. But you get the drift of it. Pretty nice. Here's another example of one I actually took time on. Printed several of these out for The Walking Dead and Dexter. So these are blood splatters that I just basically printed on index cards. And those are that's the idea behind custom index cards. You can kind of get what you need, you know, at last moment's notice. It's very, very handy. Guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Zane Savage, and you take care. All of you autograph addicts, go custom index cards.